Good afternoon, traders. It's E with eminywizard.com and marketwizards.com. Quick video update. Just wanted to remind you, if you go to our site, go to the Mart area, you can find all our products and offerings. Still running a few specials through Valentine's Day, and for what you'll spend, you'll get a lot more than you think you will. Introductory work to eminywizard.com and our system. All right, let's take a look at the markets. In this chart, that is a 60-minute variety that our traders in Club 200 have taken a look at. The structure was very clear. If we got above the 75, 76 and held, the pressure would be up. Here's your 3-point breakout. First primary targets today, try to get to that 82 to 85 zone. If we break that, then obviously free running to the next two zones, one of them in here in that 88 area, and the next one up here at 93.5 to 94. That's been achieved. We've actually got a target today that would even allow for 95 to 96. I have suggested make sure you take profits if you are long. This is, I labeled before the day started, even put it out last night. Friday, I had it, and that's spelled F-R-Y, Friday. I had a feeling shorts were going to get beat today, and get beat they did. So remember these structures, because on the way back you'll want to do your retest for these breakout areas. You can see on this chart how we held in here at that 70 location, and it was off to the races. Here's your breakout right in here, and then up, up, up. We had said 82 to 81 support. The longs would have, shorts would have to break that if they wanted to undo some of this today. I did not feel that would be very easy to do, and it's a tough trade if you're a trader. A bot is unemotional and can just buy high and sell higher. Most of us find that a challenge. Nevertheless, that was the pattern, and that was the correct direction that I called, and if you took it, you'll have had a great day. 15-minute chart. Here's your base, comes out the top. Here's your cup and handle, a la William O'Neill. Here's another formation right here. This is that dynamite triangle here. Takes off. Remember the scene of the crime where things will take off from, because they will get retested. Not normally the same day, although sometimes they do. I'm not expecting that today. I do expect to see a little profit taking, though, before the day's over from the weekly longs who've had a good week. Anybody that's played alongside the trade dynamics, if you're following a moving average system, it really helps you to see where support comes in and where you can expect it to come in. Here's a 5-minute variety RTH chart. Got a strong open, the launch, and then took out the high and kept on chugging, and we're into a consolidation phase right here at lunchtime, as well we should be. You'll find in a day like this, so many shorts get trapped that they get squeezed, and realistically you don't want to add fuel to the fire. So learn the patterns and keep yourself out of trouble. All right, here's a 30-minute chart. Let's take one more look. Without a lot of moving averages and lines, it's much easier, at least it is for me, to see the patterns. So for something like this, clearly in my mind this was support until broken. I felt that this was when they held this last night, I said, okay, we're going up. They're gonna get that 82 to 85, and then the juice and gravy above that, which they definitely extended and just squeeze shorts. So is there a way that we can use common sense and say, all right, so where are they going? Here's a tip, here's a bonus for those of you who have stuck with this for 4 or 5 minutes, and let me show you a very visual way, a very easy way. We've got spreadsheets to calculate these different targets, and hoping to automate those so that I can actually put them right on the charts. I won't need to have a new trader say, what do we do with this? Because it'll be done for them. I'm still working on that, and I don't have those skills, but I know there are people out there that do. So here's your overnight range, correct? from low to high. Theoretically, in a low to high, if we go higher and pull back, those pullbacks can be bought on a breakout and on a new thrust long. So without going into the more technical detailed stuff, what if you were to just take the range from yesterday and say, all right, if we had an upside target, what's a potential target? I submit to you that one of the easiest ways to do that is to think about a step-by-step system that allows us to see how we can do this and get a squeeze type trade that will actually get to the target that I had talked about, close to 95. So this is a very simple way for you to use without all the complicated indicators. Just say, where can we go today? And so you want to be thinking about back end targets where risk reward starts to diminish your opportunities for reward. And not every day is just going to turn around and fly backwards and undo all this. Sometimes we do. I'm not expecting that today, but at least it gives us a visual representation. And one of the tools that I use to find potential targets. On breakouts, you want to know where is the potential and try to ride it the best you can and take out rather than fighting the trend. Be a lover of the market, not a fighter. Our mart is where we house all of our products. Scroll through it, see if there's anything of interest for you there. We do have sale going on the complete system through Valentine's Day. Club 200, unfix your income. Tremendous value for this. You will get with this program right now, because it was slated to end in another week. You'll get archived information for what I've done in this class, plus I'll give you at least 2 weeks new material. This is a tremendous deal, and I'm using this as a leader product, for the time I spend to do this. And the return's not very good in terms of risk and reward, but I will tell you this. You'll get a glimpse and you will learn some things, whether you are a professional or you are a complete newbie. You will learn some things that you've never thought of before. I guarantee that. So take a look. If you like it, it's my way of introducing you to the way I think, the products that I offer, and hopefully if you're serious and committed to join us and start to use some of the tools that we utilize. I thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. This is E signing off for eminywizard.com and marketwizards.com.